Let's dive in and see what we have. Please, can you guys hear me? All right. Let's just dive into the chart again. I can't hear. We can hear. Okay. Perfect. Please, if you can hear me, let's just dive into the chart right away. No time to waste. Can you guys see my chart? Can anyone here see my chart? Can everyone here see my chart, please? If you can see my chart, just indicate us. Let's dive into it right away. Can you guys see my chart? It's clear, but you can see my chart, right? If you can see my chart, then I think it's okay. Once again, application. Okay, check it is okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let me check. It's okay. Let me check now. It's okay now. All right. Good. Please, can everyone see my screen now? Everything has sorted out, please. Okay, let's dive into start with XAUUSD, which is gold. You can analyze move from the 4 hours time frame. This is gold the 4 hours time frame. This is gold the 4 hours time frame. We start by mapping out the most obvious key levels. Start with this trend line. Yeah. Start with this trend line. Start with this trend line. Alright, here's the trend line 4 hours time frame, which I can check out and which actually now we're expecting a possible test on we're expecting a possible test at this level. So I think we should just keep mapping on the key levels. Going down, guys, we get to see more. We have this key level, we have this here. The current market prices. Actually, we have this. We have this. Alright. So these are some of the most obvious key levels we have on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see prices bullish. The 4 hours time frame, you can clearly see prices bullish. This is the 4 hours time frame. You can clearly see prices bullish. And on a trend line, we have this first touch, second touch, third touch, and just on the first time frame, we can clearly see we're expecting price to pull back. We're expecting price to pull back to this neckline. Price to pull back will give us the fourth touch of this trend line, fourth touch to continue bullish. So this is the first time frame. These are some of the obvious key levels we can map out the first time frame. Are you guys hearing me? If you can hear me, please. If you can see me, just it's like all of you guys can hear me, right? All right. So let's just dive back into the chart. All right. This is the 4 hours time frame. We map out some of the most obvious key levels, and we have these two. But the reason why I map all this is because we are only focused on current market price. I'm only focused on current market price. We have this. Okay. We have all these key levels. This is the 4 hours time frame. This is the first time. Looking at the first time frame, we're expecting price to pull back and retest this trend line from this level and give us another touch of this. And give us a third touch of this trend line. Before touch, sorry. So that's the first time frame. Map out some of our most obvious key levels. We go down to the 1 hour. Down to the 1 hour. Down to the 1 hour. Let's see if you can get some possible trend lines or map out some 20 levels. All right, we have this trend line here. We have this trend line in the 1 hour time frame. We have this trend line. Original on the 1 hour time frame, first touch, second touch, third touch, and it's giving us this as a really great structure here, this candle below here. The reason why I personally think gold is going to drop from here is we already break out from this level. If price will give us something like equal lows from here, equal lows there, price needs to give us equal lows and give this big candlestick actually came out close with the bottom. And we have this big bullish momentum candle, which this is just the 1 hour time frame, but we can't get possible entry in 1 hour time frame. We are getting traders on the bottom. We have this other key level, and this other key level at this point. This, all right, perfect. Our that is gold 1 hour time frame, dive down to the 30 minute. What can we see on the 30-minute time frame? Same thing, gold 30-minute time frame, we have this possible trend line to here. Map out this. I hope every one of you here actually getting me. That's what I'm saying. We have this level here, which gold actually break. This is testing time and closing about 8 minutes time. I was expecting gold to reject from here and start selling down from here. This is what I was actually expecting on gold. I was expecting gold to start dropping from this level. That is when it pulled back. I was expecting it to pull back to this level and drop down to this level. This actually the level. This is actually the main level which we are looking out to buy gold. Strong momentum. Remember, we are day traders. We are looking on how we can look for possible entries in the market, no matter whatever be the case. This is gold, 30-minute time frame. Map out some of our most obvious key levels. As you guys can clearly see, this time, this only map out the 30-minute time frame. Price is rejecting from this level, which we call it like the retest. This level we call it like the retest. All right, we have a trend line. Let's map out. Let's clean out everything to be very clear. Okay. All right, not before now. All right, we have this. We have this trend line here. We have this first touch, second touch, third touch, and on this downtrend. Remember, this is actually a pattern. this pattern here. And on this pattern, remember, when silver price break, we are looking for the latest grading, and we had this breakout here. For me to confirm that this was actually the breakout, I'm expecting to see this candle, which should finish closing about 30 minutes time. I'm expecting to see this candle close with the bottom below this trend line. Below this trend line means it should. This candle should close below this trend line for us to confirm our buy opportunities on this market. All right, so that be the case. We go down on this is a 30-minute time frame. So this is what we're actually looking at on gold. We're expecting guys. But one of the reasons why I personally think we should be buying gold here, because this was the last bullish candle here. The 30-minute time frame, this was the last bullish candle we had here, and price has really tapped into it and it's rejecting. So personally for me, I think gold, this is what I see on gold. This is actually what I see on gold. I see gold dropping. I see gold dropping right now to this level. If this can happen on gold, then I think that's solid. But as for now, we can't confirm any entry yet because we want to see this candle. We want to see 30-minute candle close below this trend line here. We want to see 30-minute because this could actually still be a fake out. This could actually still be a fake out. So we have to close it, and this candle, this 30-minute candle close below this trend line. This 30-minute candle closing below this trend line is an indication that we're going to continue down. We're going to continue bearish. And as for now, we can't be sure of our buys because this could be a fake out. This could be a fake out. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have on the 30 minutes, on the 15 minutes. Or the same thing on the 30 minutes. We have actually the same things on the 30 minutes. It's the same thing actually still. So this is gold. This is straight gold. This is actually an entry, but it's not that accurate yet because this could be a fake out. This breakout here could be a fake out. So personally for me, I think we should patiently wait. We should patiently wait for that is enough. Go. Right, so this is gold. The 30-minute candle is going to be closing in 5 minutes. It's going to be closing in 5 minutes. For now, personally, we don't have any entry on gold. I was expecting this candle to close below here because this will still because that's fake out. This will still because that's a fake out. So personally for me, I think we should just okay, perfect. Okay, so personally for me, I think we should just be patient on gold because this gold, we don't have any possible entries on this gold. This kind of expecting this kind of to close below here because this could actually be a fake out. This could be a fake out. This could be a fake out. This is a 30-minute time. I was expecting this kind of to close below this level there. The rejection from that level is actually very, very crazy. And it could still be a fake out. And quite also is that in here. Yeah, so this is gold. I just think we should patient. I was expecting this candle. This 30-minute candle we should do from close. I was expecting it to close below. But actually it's actually closing inside this. It's actually closing inside this range again, which this candle closing inside is an indication that it's a fake out. All this breakout here is a fake out. It's a fake out. So getting entries on gold now is selling gold now can be somehow risky. But still, I personally think gold. But let's just see how this candle finish, right? Let's see how this candlestick finish. This 30-minute candle. If this 30-minute candlestick closes below this trend line, then it's fair enough for us to get in on ourselves. Is everything understood? Like you guys understand what I'm actually saying, right? If this 30-minute candle closes below this trend line, then it's fair enough for us to get in on ourselves. It's very, very much fair enough for us to get in on ourselves. We're expecting to see this candle, this 30-minute candle, which is going to close in 2 minutes time. We're expecting to see it close below. If it closes below this trend line, then we should be getting in on ourselves. But if not, then we'll just allow go and see how the reaction. Because if gold fails to break below this level, for this, if this candle fails to close below here, then this is what I personally think is going to happen. I think gold is going to pull back up here. To test this level, then continue. If we actually fail, if you get to close, then this is the second option. If this fail, if this. Yes, so these are the two options. Either this candlestick close below this trend line, or this one actually break out above and continue. So that's what I'm seeing on gold. That's just what I see on gold. Any questions so far? My screen, I've shared my screen. You guys can see my screen. I've shared my screen. My screen is actually sharing my screen. I've already shared my screen. All right, let me just share again. Let me just share. Is everything okay for gold? This is the analysis we have on gold. We have the sell on gold. This is actually saying here. Is everything okay on gold? Okay, so that's that for gold. We should check USDJPY next. We should look at USDJPY. Should if this fail, then I think gold just one buy. Should this fail, then gold just one to buy. Okay, guys. So that is that for gold. Is everything on gold, please? I don't know why my screen is. I'm already sharing my screen. Actually, I don't know why it's telling me. This is gold. This is gold. This is gold. This is all. This is what I'm seeing on gold. This is what I'm seeing on gold. The open now I'm seeing on gold. Probably this is trend line touch. They all this trend line touch here. First touch, second touch, and I'm expecting gold to drop from here. But if it goes feel then today is not just the beginning. Or if go closes above this trend line, then today is not just the beginning. Meaning today is not just the beginning. Gold does not respect this level. Today is not just like the. Today is not just like the. Today is not just like the. Yeah, this is it. If this gold set up phase from here, then if this gold set up phase from here, then today is not just the beginning. I don't know what gold is trying to do because if gold is feeling here, I don't know where it's heading to. If this gold close below above this trend line, then we should just let it go. And today, then we should just call today again. We should just close and call today again. Because personally for me, I'm expecting gold to drop from here. I don't know why. I don't know why it's trying to, but I'm expecting gold to drop from this level. I don't know why it's trying to buy. You guys can see this is gold. If this candlestick closes above this trend line, then it's just fair enough to leave to allow gold for today and we continue tomorrow. That's that if gold face to close above that level. I've actually shared my chart. This is the time I'm sharing my chart. This is the time I'm sharing my chart. Alright, that's what I'm seeing on gold. That's what I think. If you break above, then you should just allow gold for today and look for buy opportunities. That's that. If that candlestick closes above, then it's fair enough to just look for buy opportunities on gold. Yes, that's my view. That's my view on gold. That's my honest view on gold. That's my honest view on gold. If you break above, then it's just fair enough to let everyone cut today. If this candlestick closes above this trend line, in about 5 minutes, if it closes above this trend line, then we close today and call it a day. If it closes above this trend line, then we close and call it a day. If it closes above this trend line, then we just close and call it a day. So that's my view on gold. That's not what I see. That's what I think. That's what I personally think is going to happen on gold. But that's just my view. All of you guys do trade here. All of you guys should personally have your own view. That's what I see on gold. Should it reject this trend line, then I think it's going to drop. But if not, we just allow one look at opportunities and call it today because today I don't know what's happening today. I mean, that's my view on gold. That's just all I have on gold. That's my view on gold. I'll just drop the setup in the extensively for you guys to check it out. I'll drop the setup in the extensively for you guys to check it out. It's offered by you. You can take the trade. Alright, so that is that. That's that, guys. Should that candlestick close below, then it's fair enough to get it. If it does not close below, then we just allow gold and call it a day. Alright, see you guys again next Wednesday. I'm already going to this chat. I'm gonna upload them on I'm gonna do them in your channel. This is all we have. See how it looks like this. First how it close. This is that's the chart. First how it close here. Fair enough to get entries on there. And you see that there's a candlestick is going through. And give us something like an inverted hammer or dodging rejection, then you can get in, or an evening star. Look for us to get in. Alright, so that's my view on gold. That's just what I can see on gold. I've checked my screen. I've checked my screen about 5 times here. Let me check it again. I've checked my screen about 5 times here. Okay, now this actually my screen. This is what I've been saying ever since. That's just it. Alright, so guys, see you. I'll just drop this view. I'll just drop this view on your channel. You guys should be there. I'll drop the view. You guys should be there. I think I'm getting on the trade. I'm in the trade now. This here is I'm in the trade. Not like I'm just talking without. This is a trade. I'm calling it a trade now. There is a sell. But if that candlestick closes above there, I'll close my positions. That's my trade. If it closes above there, I'll close my positions and call it a day. If this candlestick closes above there, I'll close my positions and call it a day. I actually feel it's going to close above. You guys can see it's going to close above. All right, you guys can see right. That is that. Okay, so you guys, I'll just drop the view of the XNS VIP. Please, I'll drop the view of the XNS VIP. So if you're not watching to see, I'll drop this view of the XNS VIP. You guys should check it out. All right, tomorrow. See you guys again on the next network. As network is not related to us today, but that's not excuse. We'll continue tomorrow again. I'll just drop this view. I'll just drop this listing. The analysis will be to drop the XNS VIP. All right, guys. See you next week.